long time ago in the previous century at this place, which was the same place that Steve Martin was playing in the 70s. It was a nightclub, and he told the audience to come outside with him and hide in the bushes. And he pretended he was hitchhiking, and when the guy stopped, he said, "Can I bring my friends?" And he brought everybody out of the bushes. But when I was there in the 90s, I saw this big guy had a big plate of food, and he was going over to get his soup at the soup bar, but he didn't realize that the angle of his big plate of food was such that it slid off his plate into the soup. And he looked around, and he just stirred up the soup and walked away.
Thank you.
Huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.